Today's day is going to be about a case related to section 498A of the IPC, where the respondent accused was even declared a proclaimed offender, that is a PO, under the appropriate provisions of the CRPC. But even then, he has not appeared in the court since past 9 to 10 years. It has already been 10 years. I will tell you what happened in the court today in some time. Yes, we appeared before the court. We went to the court. We told them that he has not been appearing. He has been trying to evade his presence in the court. He has been trying to evade all the orders. He is an accused in many cases. He has been declared he has actually been convicted in cases. Moreover, decrees have been passed against him. Execution petitions are pending, but he has not been appearing. Now what to do? What will you do? कोई आ ही नहीं रहा है कोर्ट में, तो उसे कैसे खींच के लाओगे? आप किस पे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अफिक्स करोगे? All that I am gonna tell you very soon in this vlog. Stay tuned, stay connected with me. The central hall of the Rohini court. I went to the court once. The judge told us to wait for the order after we concluded with our arguments. See, that party is not from Delhi. The court is in Delhi. His wife is in Delhi. His wife, who has initiated all the court proceeding against him, is in Delhi. She initiated these proceedings sometime around 2010-11, and now even her son has turned around 19 years of age. He's going to college now, but even until now, she has not been given any relief. She's not been given any money, any kind of security by her husband or in-laws. She has not even seen her in-laws or her husband or any of the family members of the matrimonial house since past 8 to 9 years, but she knows the neighbors of her husband and the family. So she has inquired from the neighbors, and she has got to know that they are residing there only. Her husband even got married again, so there's a case of bigamy as well, but nothing's happening in this case. In 2011, 12, 13, I could do nothing because I was barely in class 8th or 9th at that time. But here we are in 2021, almost 2022, that we have this case and we need to do something about it. Today we have requested the court to fix responsibility of any of the officers from the police who will appear in the court and who will explain to the court on their own responsibility as to why they are unable to produce the accused here in the court, all the accused, all the respondent persons, and maybe that will get us some benefit. Let's see how it goes, because until now even non-bailable warrants were not issued against many of the respondents. Only against the husband, who's already a PO, non-bailable warrants were being issued repeatedly, which he has been trying to avoid. So what we are trying to do is, we know that he will come to the court if we drag his the other respondents who are his family members to the court. They will definitely put some pressure on him to handle the matter on his own, and that's the only way left with us. That's the only way that's with us, to coerce the officials, to request, coerce, to get our work done. I will let you know what kind of order the court passes today. Until then, I need to get certain affidavits attested, which I'll do. I'll go to the notary public and I'll get it done. There's a lot that I want to tell you, but before that, I want to keep you updated about great things that are happening around you. So all of you who want to evaluate yourself on certain subjects, especially those of you who are preparing for the judicial services exam, or those of you who want to give a shot to it, that is, you want to see if you will ever be able to crack judiciary, or where do you stand today, then Olive Board is a website which is giving you free tests that you can take up anytime using any of your electronic devices, your phone, your laptop, or anything that you may have in your hand even right now. Just go to the description box or go to the pinned comment in the comment section. You will see a link. Click on that link and you will get to the Olive Board's website, just as you are seeing on your screen, and you can go to the test tab just as I did. After going to the test tab, select the test that you want to give, select the test that you want to take. Thereafter, a question paper like screen will appear before you. You have the option to mark the answer. You can even review your answer. You can mark it for review, that is, you want to come back to the answer and see if that was right or not. So you have various test options available related to judicial services, related to topics in general. If you see, you have a test for prelims exam, you have test for mains exams as well. You can give any of the tests that you may like. Also, do not forget to take that test through the link given in the description box or in the comment section only, because otherwise you may go to the wrong link. Here is a judicial services question paper that you are seeing on your screen. I took the test but I didn't answer any of the questions, so here is my evaluation. Just like this, you will also get an evaluation from their side. If you complete the test, you will also get to see the solutions. In case you just want to see the questions, what kind of questions can be there in the exam, you can simply see that as well with the solutions. You can access all of this using the link that I have given in the pinned comment or in the description box. Other than the judicial services, they have various other test options, various other course options available as well. So do check out Olive Board's website from the link given. This is that area in the court from where you can get notary done, from where you can get the affidavits attested. You need to have the party with you who will sign the affidavit, and on whose presence the affidavit will also get attested. The advocate also needs to be present there. After that, we went to collect the order from the court, and we were really surprised. I mean, we were happily surprised to know that the order was passed in our favor. The court was pleased to grant the order of fixing responsibility of a senior police official, that is SHO, and the concerned DCP as well, to see what's actually happening in the case, why the accused is not appearing. And we were extremely happy, we were elated. It feels really nice when finally your hard work pays off in any case. After that, you're seeing me arranging some documents and filing certain documents that I needed to do for the High Court hearing that was scheduled for the next day. I was doing all these random things, and look at this very nice stapler that I have. After that, I didn't have my laptop that day, so I'm using my phone only to file these documents using the Delhi High Court's e-filing link. This e-filing is really helpful for us. If you see on your screen, you will see that this e-filing portal is very easy to use once you get the hang of it. If you see on the left side of your screen, you will see many options, two options actually, such as these two options are e-filing and inbox. Inbox means it's related to all the cases, all the applications, everything that you have filed. And e-filing has many options, such as you may want to file the main case, you may want to file an application in it, you may want to file affidavits in it, or any photographs. So you have options of doing all of that here. I filed some documents and I got the diary number. You must know that after you file anything in the Delhi High Court, you get a diary number. वो anything आपकी documents भी हो सकती है, आपका main case भी हो सकता है, आपकी application भी हो सकती है. तो इसको आपको ज़रूर संभाल के रखना है. अब मैं चलती हूँ घर. So I stopped midway from the court, somewhere at the bypass area. I sensed some problem, so I thought it's better to stop. I sensed some problem in tire, front tire. रियर में भी मुझे लग रहा था कुछ है लेफ्ट साइड में, बट ये लोग बोल रहे हैं कुछ है नहीं. आई एम स्केप्टिकल वेदर आई शुड मूव अहेड और नॉट, बट देन आई थिंक आई विल, बिकॉज इन लोग ने बोल दिया है. कुछ लोग थे बहुत अच्छे, उन्होंने हेल्प कर दी थी. मेट्रो वाले, उनका काम चल रहा था वहाँ पे साइड पे, उन्होंने हेल्प. हाँ, उनका ट्रक भी किसी और का है वैसे तो, लेकिन करिए कह तो रहे हैं कुछ नहीं है, चलते हैं. आज कोर्ट में भी इतना ट्रैफिक और यहाँ पे भी इतना ट्रैफिक, अभी भी सब खड़े ही हुए हैं. बैक होम अर्ली बिकॉज आई नीड टू हेड टू द मार्केट टू गेट सम स्टफ़. और ये इंटीरियर वाला जो स्टफ़ होता है ना, मुझे कुछ शीट्स वगैरह लेनी है फॉर दी अलमीराज फॉर बुक शेल्फ्स. मेरे को बड़ा मज़ा आता है लेने में. देखते हैं कि कितना मज़ा आने वाला है.
साइज बनेंगे वो इधर उधर हट के लग जाएंगे, बनेंगे एक ही साइज. ऐसे आए कार्ड की बात खोलने की भाई तो है. अब जब तुमने बनाई इधर का 12 लिया तो इधर का 18 आएगा, तो एक लंग का 18, एक लंग का 12. वही इधर उससे उधर घूमते जाएंगे, लगते जाएंगे. ब्रेक कम ज़्यादा दिखाते थे तो हो तो जा को पेंच मार दे, ज़्यादा इंसाई दे दो तो जाए पेंच मार दे, तो अपने आप को जाको जम का है. इतनी जल्दी का नहीं आ रहे, तीन मार दे ये दे देंगे, मारेंगे तुम आगे लगाने के बाद की माने
हाँ तो इसे
अब
पक्का
काट देंगे करके उसे
इसे पक्का कर दो मेरी मम्मी क्या होगा टेंशन मत लो।
और यार निकालना।
अभी तो इनमें हाथ लगाओगे तो
अब तो तुम्हारा सही नहीं होगा।